Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, paint sprayers and Apache attack helicopter. What's the most important part of your gear? You know? It's a mask, of course. And now you can upgrade it. But let us step back here. Every experienced player will tell you spend a little bit more or way more on your mask. And I do that too. It's very simple. They are better. They got better lenses, double lenses of course. They got better fog protection coatings on the inside, and most of the time they got better ventilation systems. But we all know even they can fog up. And now we got a brilliant piece that comes overseas to help every mask perform way better. And of course, I'm going to unbox it, measure the dimensions, we'll measure how loud this thing is because it's a fan inside, and you will know what you're awaiting before you order an EXFOG system. So stay tuned. What the fuck I'm doing? Let's start. What we see, we got here a nice finish, looking solid, EXFOG anti-fog system. No more goggle fog, of course. Patent pending, of course. I would do it like this. Strange numbers, nothing on the bottom. Let's open it. And as always, we take the most important part and put it to the side. Let's start from the bottom. Paperwork! Yay, what do we get here? If you want to read it, you can pause the video. Installation. Here, looks very interesting. Life limited warranty, of course. Got fancy hose. Later to this one, we got manifolds. We got a micro USB charger. Got this, I think it's called Velcro or however. We got the headband. And it's looking like it's empty. Great. We got a headband, let's start here. Very interesting. This is made more for the airsoft playing style, where you're just wearing some kind of normal goggles like these shooting goggles or whatever, where you don't got a strap on the back. I think the Velcro will come here later to this. This is adjustable, it's fitting solid. It's bendable, but I wouldn't bend it too much. This is no problem, even a paintball hit would be no problem with this here. Looking good. Just a random standard USB charger, nothing fancy here. Very good because you can use it everywhere. I would prefer more USB-C, but that's it. Manifolds. No, let's go. Come to this later. This Velcro stuff, and very flexible. Even, yeah, this is a radius that won't bend. What's bending, it won't get a kink in it, so there would no air come through. So this is something you need to watch out, but this is very good here. It's kind of a little bit sticky, but no, not sticky, that's the wrong. It's feeling great, it's feeling very robust, and oh, this is a length I think you can do 2 or 3 setups with. Also awesome. Now we get to these plastic thingies, folds. There is an installation direction, of course, left to right or both down. Great. And let's come to the important thing, the EXFOG itself. Let's start here. Here we got plastic, of course, no nylon, but also looking good. I think that will stand a paintball hit. I wouldn't bet on it, but that will stand some hits, of course. Here is the entry where the folds will went in, but later to this. From this side, nothing. This side is curved, like you see, nothing. Here you will place this stuff on it. Interesting. Here we get the on and off and battery indicator. Give me a focus on it. Yeah, great. And here's the charging port. I forgot. Sorry. And we need to measure. I know, it's something you need to strap to your head, blah blah blah. Is it not too heavy? I don't think that it's too heavy. We are at 82 grams. You don't need the full length of this, but I put everything on it. Going up to 112. One of these. Go back on it. And that. 160, that is really not much for what you want to benefit from. We're going to measure it. Here we got no focus. 8.7 centimeters. 5.5. Thickest part is 2.3, 2.9. Smallest is around 2.5. So if you wear it, it's don't gonna wear on too much. And for a little bit testing, how low this device is. Little setup.
Now it was a very good decision to buy it. Of course, in future I will make a full review when I used it and battle tested it. And if you watched the video till here, leave me a sub and a thumbs up. A comment also, and constructive critics are always welcome. And enjoy your day. Bye!